Pacifico was probably one of the first beers that I actually had here when I arrived in Australia. Picked up from the airport. The folks that I was with, they took me into the Dane, and I remember having a Pacific Ale there.
Late 2008, we started making a beer called Draft Ale. Very quickly became Pacific Ale. Yeah, it was kind of like the original sort of modern hazy pale ale.
When you look at the Pacific Ale, kind of in a hazy pale ale before hazy pale ales were even a thing.
This is our first collab with another brewery within Australia. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. Collaboration came out of appreciation for both brands and both creating really good beers and loving what you guys do.
You guys are Mountain Culture. The guys make absolutely beautiful beers.
Stone and Wood, they're massive pioneers in creating something that's full flavored but still really enjoyable for the summertime, and that's what we spent a lot of time with the recipe creation of this beer trying to achieve.
We're a big fan of hops like Galaxy, so it was a real fitting hop to use. DJ wanted to showcase some absolutely banging hops from the US, and the way these hops are all going to come together and meld together, it's going to be harmony.
They're more than just the beer. They've tied their product to one of the most iconic places in Australia, Byron Bay, and that really inspired me with Mountain Culture to want to tie our beer to a really cool area as well.
We both come from beautiful parts of the world, very uniquely different, you know, both high tourist destinations, both big in backpackers, and we just wanted to be able to celebrate the two regions, you know, naming the beer the backpacker. It fitted.
Really nice collaborating because I always feel like you learn something, and I always leave it feeling more connected to the industry that we're all a part of.
We got to keep on remembering what beer's about and having fun and having laughs.
We're in a very good industry, and the fact that we get to share that with people, see people enjoying what we do is special.